Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate BuzzSumo alerts for content ideation. Complete guide step by step clearly.
Begin by logging into your BuzzSumo account. Navigate to the Alerts section in the dashboard. Click on Create a new alert. Select the type of alert you want to set up, such as content or brand mention.
Input your keywords or phrases relevant to your content niche.
Configure the frequency of alerts based on your preferences.
Choose the sources from which you want to receive updates, such as blogs, news articles, or forums. Specify the language and region for more tailored results. Click Save Alert to create your first alert.
Check your email for a confirmation of the alert setup. Start receiving alerts based on your specified criteria.
Review the incoming alerts regularly to identify trending content. Analyze the performance metrics provided for each alert. Look for content that has high engagement metrics, such as shares and comments.
Use this data to brainstorm new content ideas related to what's currently popular. Combine insights from various alerts for a broader perspective on trending topics. Consider the format of content, whether it's written articles, videos, or infographics.
Plan your content strategy around these trending topics. Engage with the audience by producing content that resonates with their interests. Track the performance of your newly created content against your alerts. Make adjustments to your alerts as needed for continued relevance.
Repeat this process regularly to stay ahead in your content ideation.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.